Yes, guys and girls, welcome back to another episode with me, Luke, where we talk about all things crypto. So in today's episode, I'm going to jump right into the Bitcoin price right now because things are looking quite bad on the Bitcoin price. We're going to look at some fake news surrounding Blackrock and XRP. And then in crypto gaming, as I promised, we're going to jump into the world of the sandbox. So without further ado, let's dive right into the Bitcoin price right now. So we're trading at 35,600. And yes, guys and girls, we are seeing a potential bear indication where we could drop down to the levels of 30,000. So that would be a decrease of around 15%. So what am I seeing? Well, I'm just going to warn you on the indicators. Very quick update on the TA today. If we look at the RSI, the divergence indicator, on the daily, we've just hit another, so we've got two, we did see this bearish divergence on, I think it was like the 23rd to the 1st of November, and now we've just formed another one, unfortunately. So we had this one here, and now we've got this one here, and so yeah, you can see it for yourself just there. So is this bad news? Is this doom for Bitcoin? Well, no. I mean, pullbacks are normal in crypto. If you're new here, expect 15-20% pullbacks when we rallied quite strong. Just a few weeks ago, not even a few weeks ago, we rallied a few $1,000s, several $1,000s, and then yeah, so having a 10-20% pullback is normal. It's actually quite healthy, so don't worry. So where is the pullback going to head? In my opinion, if we do follow through with this bearish divergence, then most likely we come back and hit the resistance, or the support, sorry, of 30 to 31,000. So I'm just going to leave my support line here to show you where we could come back to. And yeah, this would be not a bad thing. I mean, it would be a healthy thing to bounce off it and then recover going up another leg higher. But yeah, I mean, we've had a fantastic couple of weeks. We rallied from 26k all the way up to 38k, so 43% over, I don't even know how many weeks was this. This was from around, the rally started the 15th of October, we are now the 15th of November. So in 1 month, guys, Bitcoin rallied 41%. We rallied up almost around $11,000. So, I mean, what other industry does this for you? So just in 4 weeks, we've gone up a considerable amount. And so now some people are panicking, fearing, do I sell my Bitcoin because of this pullback? Well, no, like I said, guys and girls, if you're taking some trades down here, then maybe set some stop losses, trailing stop losses, take some profits off the table. It's not certain, we might not come back down to 30,000 to this key support level. We could hover around the 34k, 35, and then bounce off it. So, but I'm just warning you that we do have this bearish divergence playing out right now on the daily. So it is a possibility that we dump back down to some key support levels. So that's it for the technical side of things. Just some important information regarding XRP, Blackrock. If ever you see any news like this where apparently Blackrock has filed for an ETF, well, it's just fake news. And it's come out yesterday that I know the last 2 days, I mean, on social media things were flying all over the place saying that XRP, well, Blackrock's filed for an ETF on XRP, but BlackRock debunks the ETF hoax. Again, this is not true, and it just shows the power of social media. There seems to be this cult mentality, and this is what they say here, a borderline cult mentality with XRP. Personally, I like XRP. I hold a bag of them, but there are some out there that cult-like people, XRP maximalists, let's say, and this fake news spreads. People jump on board, believe without doing their research, and that's another very important point. You need to do your research in crypto because during bear markets, bull markets, we see no end of scandalous reports and fake news. So James Seyfarth, he says, my mentions are still filled with people saying, liking, reposting things like it can't be false, BlackRock filed it, or implying that there are imminent plans to launch an ETF for XRP. Generally feel bad, borderline cult mentality, showing a serious lack of intellectual ability. So again, it's just a warning. This is just fake news. So if you are watching this, then I'm just telling you that this is not true. So don't start throwing your house at XRP thinking that BlackRock has just filed for an XRP ETF. And I wouldn't be surprised over the next few weeks, months, that we see other fake news for meme coins or whatever. I don't know, BlackRock filing for Dogecoin ETF or Shiba Inu or something, or Floki. So it could be a possibility. You could see those things come out. But just do your research, guys. Don't believe everything everybody tells you, not even me as well. And then none of this is financial advice as well. It's just my opinion. So again, do your own research on news events like this. So just jumping over into the last section of today's video, I did mention the sandbox yesterday, that I will be dollar cost averaging. Again, the sandbox was around $7 at the last peak, and now we're currently trading at 39 cents. Really bargain prices right now for the sandbox. So what is the sandbox? Well, very briefly, the sandbox is a gaming platform. It's a metaverse similar to Decentraland. If you want to see my Decentraland video, you can go to the Decentraland video in my videos. There's a section there for crypto gaming. So if you're interested in that, check out the Decentraland video. But the sandbox, similar, you play together, create together your own virtual land, and you can build your own virtual world. You can connect with people, you create your avatars. Again, in the world of gaming, the world of NFTs, you can build the world of your dreams, whether you want to build unique experiences or design voxel-based NFTs. You've got creative tools, you can bring your imagination into it, and you can make this marketplace your own. And you have important brands. I saw some interesting, so Snoop Dogg's here. You've got The Walking Dead, Ubisoft, Playboy, Atari. You've got a lot of different brands in this metaverse, and it only takes a few minutes to create an account, and you can jump right into the sandbox. So again, here is the map for the sandbox, and you can see how extensive it is. Over the years, people have been buying into this, and I really believe that right now is the best time even to buy land if you're interested in buying land ready for the next bull run. So NFTs, etc., and get involved. I mean, for example, if we just go over to this section, if you zoom in, you can just see how extensive this platform is, the sandbox, and how many people are building on it. I don't know where Snoop Dogg is. You probably just have to research in the tab bar or something to find Snoop Dogg. And yeah, I mean, you just zoom in and you can see you've got these different places. You can go and visit these places, explore with your avatar, and even create or buy your own land. So again, games like this, I think will do really well. Personally I love, and I've seen over the years how open world games, where you can move around freely, explore, people absolutely love it. So the sandbox is another shout out to them, and I think they will do ever so well in the next bull run and even into the next decade, into the future. So yeah, check out the sandbox if you haven't done so already. Create an account, and it's just a quick shout out to them. And at the moment, the price is really, really low. And if you're dollar cost averaging into this, then why not do it now? But again, none of this is financial advice. You do your own research. And just before I leave, one more thing, Bitcoin, pay attention to this bearish divergence. We could come back down 10 to 15%. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you think we're going to go a lot lower, or I could be wrong. If you think we're going to go higher past the 40,000, then just let me know in the comments section below. So that's just some quick updates today, guys and girls, for Wednesday the 15th. Have a great Wednesday, and I will see you all tomorrow.